joining us.
Ang galing sa mga kong dalawa.
True. Diba? Ako din, happy rin ako sa mga sagutan yan. Kilig na kilig. So ito na nga po, no, paano naman po nakikipag-ugnayan ang Wattpad, pati na rin ang Webtoon Productions in ensuring na yung mga adaptation natin, kita dun yung character's journey while remaining true to the original vision and appealing to a broader, diverse audience. Tulad nila.
Thank you for that question. At the very core of what we do in our Wattpad adaptations are the authors. No? They are very integral in the development process. Since day one, we bring them in. They act as creative consultants kasi we know that they know their story best. They know their characters like the back of their hands. So, we know that it's important that we remain faithful to the source material so that any enhancement or adjustments that we make in the adaptation, kasi we acknowledge that the novel is a different form sa isang series. No? It's a different storytelling medium. We have to tell the story visually. So we know that certain scenes, certain dialogues, or even sometimes certain characters would not work in the adaptation. So we have to make the necessary adjustments and enhancements. And we collaborate with the creator on that to ensure that we capture the essence of the story, and at the same time, lahat ng enhancements or adjustments na ginagawa natin is rooted in the original story and feels organic. Kasi importante, lalo na sa mga Wattpadders, alam nila kung niloloko sila. I read some of their comments. So, importante sa amin that everything that they see in the adaptation feels organic and aligns with the source material.
Love that.